Hi, I'm Hannah, and I'm a developer on Galileo's curriculum and instruction team. I work year-round to create engaging STEAM projects to inspire your camper all summer long. Meteors will be working on Epic Escape Room this week. Your Meteor and their team will break out of a Galileo-designed escape room, then use what they learn to design and build their own. They'll get hands-on experience using padlocks, hydraulics, simple circuits, and magnets to create custom features for their rooms and come up with captivating themes to keep players engaged. Along the way, they'll grow their innovator's mindset, being visionary as they invent clues in interactive objects, and reflective as they observe how players move through their rooms and what they can change to enhance the experience. We can't wait for your camper to experience these activities along with the rest of the awesome projects this week. And remember, at Camp Galileo, kids bring home much more than just their projects. They bring home the creative confidence and problem-solving skills they'll need to thrive.